In this video, I will show you step by step how I made $21,200 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on Pinterest. I will show you guys which affiliate links I was promoting on Pinterest. I will show you for beginners. I will show you guys step by step how we can join affiliate marketing business without investing any money and just by using free traffic, so you can earn some commission like this because it's really super easy. Okay, so let's get started. I will update this page so you guys can make sure it's not fake. The numbers are still the same numbers. Okay, I started this challenge from December 2023, from the first day of December, okay, until today. Okay, today it's 21 February. Okay, I will update again this page, and here you go. So for people who will ask why it's showing $0 in your balance, because I withdraw all my money to my PayPal account. Okay, anyways, so for people who are new to my YouTube channel and they want to start making money with Fiverr affiliate, what you need to do first, you need to go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do next, you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down and go to community and click over here on affiliates. Okay, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. Okay, so what you need to do next, just click over here on join now. Okay, and you will be directly in this sign up process page. And as you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate program is super easy and simple. So just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username and password, account type, make it private. Okay, do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country, okay, and choose your language. And if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. It's super easy. After you finish, you should have an account like this one, and you will have a Fiverr affiliate account like this one. Okay, so what you need to do next, you will go back to Google and you will search for Pinterest, because we will use Pinterest to promote our affiliate links. Okay, go to Google, search for Pinterest, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to Pinterest is super easy. Okay, and make sure to open business account. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, so why I choose Pinterest to promote my affiliate links? If we click over here, let me show you. So did you know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitor every single month? 1 billion people are visiting Pinterest. So millions of people are scrolling on Pinterest every single day. That's why you should start promoting your affiliate links on Pinterest. And Google is the number one with 86 billion visitors. It's really a lot, but we are focusing now on Pinterest. Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors, and that's really a lot. Okay, anyways, so what you will do next, you will go back to your Fiverr homepage. Okay, go back to Fiverr. So now I'm gonna share with you guys which affiliate links you should start promoting on Pinterest if you want to earn commission. So click on the search over here and search for ClickBank affiliate link promotion. Okay, so why I choose this service? Because from my experience, I know that there are a lot of people on Pinterest. They are using Pinterest to promote affiliate links, ClickBank affiliate links. So those people will be interested to buy this service from your affiliate link, and you will earn commission. So it's like win-win. Okay, they will promote their ClickBank affiliate links using my affiliate link, and I will earn commission. They will earn commission. So search for ClickBank affiliate link promotion. Scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, top rated seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate links and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so I'm gonna choose. So let's scroll down and let me see. So this one looks really good. This one is level 1 seller. It has almost 5 star. This service is just for $5. Okay, a lot of people can buy this service, but let me see if I can find a good one. This one also over here looks really good. He has 5 star, almost 5 star. This service is just for $5. Okay, so I will click on this one. This one is level 1 seller. I will click on his service. You just need to click on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. So what you will do next, you will copy his profile link like this and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and upload and put this seller profile link here. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you need to do next, you just need to copy this affiliate link and promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest. Go back to your Pinterest account, click on home feed, click on create pin. Okay, you will be directly in this page. Click over here and upload this so what you will do, you need to upload a picture about this service. So first go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr, okay, and upload his picture. So I thought I uploaded this picture to my laptop. Click on his picture, upload this picture to your laptop so we can use it on Pinterest. Save image, double click, save image, save, and go to Pinterest, click here and upload this picture. Okay, upload this picture to your Pinterest account like this. Scroll down, so you need to put here title. Go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr, copy his title like this, and go back to Pinterest, put this title over here. Okay, description, just go back to this profile seller page on Fiverr, scroll down, and you should see over here about this gig. Okay, so copy this description. I will copy this part, go back to Pinterest and put this description here like this. Okay, and scroll down. You need to put here your affiliate link. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here. Okay, go to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here like this. Okay, scroll down, click on choose a board. So if you have new account, click on create a board and you just need to give it a name, and you can create as many as you want. Okay, so I already have a lot. I will choose this one. Scroll down, you need to put here tags or keywords related to this service. So what you will do, you will go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr and you will scroll down. Just keep scrolling down like this and you should see related tags. Okay, so copy those keywords like this. Okay, copy those keywords like this, go to Pinterest, put those keywords here and go back again and copy. You will copy this one. Okay, and they will go back to Pinterest and they will put this keyword here and go back and copy this one. Just use all those keywords because those keywords are very important. Okay, so as a beginner you need to grow your Pinterest account. Okay, so you need those keywords so people can find your service on Pinterest. Okay, I will copy this one and I will put this keyword here. After you finish, click on publish. Okay, and here you go. Your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest like this. This is your picture about your service, this is your affiliate link, and this is your title description. So that's how you can promote affiliate links on Pinterest, and that's how you can start affiliate marketing business for beginners step by step. It's super easy and simple using free traffic. And if you just started, you have a new Pinterest account, make sure to promote just between 1 and 2 affiliate links per day. If you start promoting a lot of affiliate links per day, your account will get banned. Okay, you need to warm your account. Okay, then you can start making publishing more affiliate links to increase your commission. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.